In this video tutorial, I will show you how to change your display name in Roblox without waiting 7 days. So I'll show you this trick. First of all, you need to log into your account, and once you will be logged in, you need to click this gear icon on the top right, go to the settings, go to your account settings, and right here you will see your display name. So if you want to change your display name without waiting 7 days, you can do the simple thing. You need to click this edit button right here. So if you change your display name to your username, for example, if you write exactly the same thing you have in username, for example, I have display name Zach, and I have username Zachman2902. So if I change this display name to Zachman2902, this red restriction will be removed, and I will be able to change the display name without waiting 7 days first. So let's click save, and as you can see, guys, my display name is changed. So that's all I want to show you. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.